Are you ready to put in the work and dedication to achieve passive income? If so, get ready to discover a variety of side hustles that can help you earn anywhere from $175 to $700 per day in passive income. In this video, we'll share different opportunities that you can start today, all from the comfort of your own home. The best part is that you don't need any specific skills. Just your phone or laptop and an internet connection. Side hustle number 1: Amazon Influencer Program. Have you ever thought about making money through product review videos? Well, I have an incredibly easy way for you to make passive income online in 2023. It's called the Amazon Influencer Program. This program allows you to earn commissions by creating product review videos for Amazon. Here's how it works. When people visit Amazon to buy a product, they often watch review videos to get more information and insights. What many people don't realize is that the creators of these videos earn commissions every time someone watches their video and decides to make a purchase. And since Amazon is the world's largest online retailer, the earning potential is massive. To get started, you need to sign up for the Amazon Influencer Program and get accepted. Once you're in, you can start creating videos. The best part is, you don't need fancy equipment. Most creators on the platform use their phones. You'll want to look for products that don't have video reviews yet, which opens up thousands of opportunities. After selecting a product, order it, and create a video where you share your experience and provide information or answer common questions. The key is consistency. Many creators upload videos regularly, capitalizing on the vast range of products available. The beauty of this side hustle is that you only need to create the video once, and it can continue earning you commissions indefinitely. There's this YouTuber who tried this side hustle for 8 months, and he consistently earned passive income ranging from $175 to $700 per day. It's truly incredible what this opportunity can offer. So, if you're looking for a proven and scalable side hustle, the Amazon Influencer Program is a fantastic choice. Remember, the online shopping industry is growing rapidly, set to generate $6.3 trillion in 2023. Don't let the idea of starting an Etsy store overwhelm you either. It's a fantastic platform to sell your products. Don't overthink it, take action. Trying and failing is better than not trying at all. Opportunities are waiting for those who are willing to seize them. Side hustle number 2: Renting out space. Did you know that you can make passive income by renting out unused space in your home? It's a side hustle that many people overlook, but it can actually bring in hundreds of dollars every month. You can rent out various spaces such as your backyard, driveway, basement, attic, or even an empty closet in your bedroom. There's a website called neighbor.com that allows you to become a host and list your available space. People are willing to pay you for storing their belongings in your unused areas. For example, someone is renting out their garage for $700 per month. Another person is renting out their basement for $76 per month. And there's even someone renting out their closet for $10 per month. These are real examples of individuals making passive income by utilizing their unused spaces. Getting started with this side hustle is simple and completely free. Just visit neighbor.com, click on Become a Host, and list your space. It's worth noting that this website is currently available only in the United States. However, if you're outside the US, you can still use the same method by listing your offers on platforms like the Facebook Marketplace or similar apps in your area. While the earnings may vary depending on what you're offering, you can expect to make anywhere from $50 to $300 per month with this side hustle. It may not be the highest paying option out there, but it's a decent way to generate passive income and earn extra money without leaving the comfort of your home. So, if you have unused space that could be put to good use, why not give this side hustle a try? It's a simple and hassle-free way to make some extra cash and turn your idle space into a profitable asset. In conclusion, exploring passive income side hustles is a smart way to increase your earnings and achieve financial freedom. Passive income side hustles allow you to make money while maintaining flexibility and freedom. While these side hustles require effort and time, they offer the potential for long-term financial stability. Remember, success in generating passive income comes with the right mindset, discipline, and a willingness to take action. So, Whether you choose to become an Amazon influencer or rent out your unused space, embrace the possibilities and start your journey towards a more prosperous future. Take the first step, invest your time and energy wisely, and watch as your passive income grows. With determination and the right strategy, you can turn these side hustles into significant sources of income. Start today and pave the way for financial success. Thanks for tuning in to today's video on the General Finance channel. We hope you found it informative and valuable. Remember, we'll be posting new videos on the channel 3 to 5 times per week. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. And don't forget, we want to hear from you. Leave your thoughts and feedback in the comments section below. Is there a particular topic you'd like us to cover in a future video? Let us know. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Keep building that financial savvy, and we'll be here every step of the way to help you on your journey to financial freedom.